such a privilege to stand here today celebrating the opening of this fantastic new building. A building that represents the progression of Paxton here in the US and the many years of hard work by so many people. A building that will provide an inspirational workplace for you, our US team, and a building that represents Paxton's commitment to the American market and our firm belief in a bright future.
Companies coming into the city of Greenville are contributing to the growth and sustainability, and we could not be more excited to have Paxton here.
And this is as much as a representation of all the success that Paxton US has had to date as it is a reflection of our confidence in the future.
We love companies that see themselves as opportunity companies of innovation and future-oriented, and that's very much what Paxton is. Welcome to Greenville, welcome to America.